This dictation is 40 words per minute taken from Pitman shorthand book special list of words. Please like, share and subscribe. Exercise 231. Ready. To an extraordinary extent, the modern business man is dependent upon the banker and the banking system. One enthusiastic writer, proud of the dominating influence exercised by the banks, insists that the cessation, even for a day or two, of the bankers' activities would certainly cause a complete paralysis of the economic life of the nation. Such a cessation would assuredly be found to produce swifter and more far-reaching effects than the strike of the most effective labor union. Full stop. The merchant works by means of the credit facilities he enjoys, and he would have no facilities either to collect or to pay his accounts. Unable to discount the bills he held, unable to cash the checks paid to him, he could not meet the obligations constantly falling due, and must eventually become bankrupt. His signature on a check would be useless. The manufacturer making for a market distant in time and place depends upon the support of the banks, and that support failing, he must cease work, no matter how sincerely he might desire to carry on, whether money is scarce or plentiful, whether overdrafts are hard or easy to obtain, is a matter of supreme importance to the trader. The stock he has bought is carried on credit. If the banker, the interpreter of the financial state of the country, restricts the credit, then the trader is obliged to unload, to sell his stock with as little sacrifice as possible. He could not exist without the liberal help of the banker. The picture drawn of the banker's work is little exaggerated. True, the banker is only a middleman. He connects the people who save with the people who are able to employ savings in the creation of wealth. In our country, at any rate, people have a deep rooted confidence in the security of funds entrusted to others. They are willing to deposit with bankers and content themselves with moderate interest upon their deposits. The rate of interest being precisely ascertainable at any time, unwilling or unable to use their accumulated savings themselves, they provide the means whereby the banker meets the needs of those that work and trade on borrowed capital. This is absolutely certain. There is no room for exception, acceptism on the matter. Our people says bag hot are bolder in dealing with their money than any continental nation. Stop.